Let's talk about it. Let's go deep. We all have something to share. No share with Dr. Dave.
Can you share like a significant challenge you faced in your business and how you overcame it?
The most significant challenge that I have faced in business is not knowing what I don't know and not understanding how to ask for help. Now, you have to understand my background where when you ask for something, it usually came with a price. We figure it out. We're just going to make it work. We'll figure it out. So in business, I quickly realized that collaborations and relationships were significant.
Let's go deep. We all have something to share. No share with Dr. Dave.